Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andy here for, well, GBTV. Yes, just received a package. This has come from KewbzUK. I ordered a £5, £10 and £20 mystery box just to see exactly what we'll get and then just to compare the two. So, let's crack open into the box. Let's see what we have. This is the first one that I've ever ordered from KewbzUK, so let's have a look and see what we have. Right, so I did ask them to package them separately, so this is the £20, so we'll get back to that one. We'll do the £5 and then the £10. So, and we have some KewbzUK stands, that's awesome, and then we have the packing slip as well. So, okay, so one side is my address and everything like that, so this is what's in the box. I don't really want to show that off too much, so we'll start off with the £5 one. Let's see what we have. We have, I don't know the names of everything like that. Oh, this looks like a square one. And it is a square one, which is actually kind of ironic because I've literally just been playing around with my old square one. So this is one I had, which was in the Cube collection video the other day. But yeah, this was my square one that I've been using a lot. Oh, well, it's a good job I've got a new one now, isn't it? But yeah, so I now have a new square one, and this definitely turns a lot better. I'm still no good at square ones, but you know, this one is definitely a lot better than my previous one. So there's that, and then we've still got more in the £5 one. So that's all in the £5 one. We have some Cube Lube. We have Z Lube. So that's awesome because I was solving my Mega Mix there as well, and I actually needed some more lube because it's dry as hell. So from the £5 one. Just get this all sorted. So from the £5 one, we had the square one and the lube. Awesome. So now we'll move on to, where's the thing? Oh, that's £20. Okay, so then we'll move on to the £10 one. So in the £10 lucky dip, I should say, they're not mystery boxes, they're lucky dips. So in here we have got what looks like a sculpted Pyraminx. I'm trying to see if, okay, so it's so it's a Chi one, which is good because all of my other ones are Chi, and this is a it's weird stickers, obviously, and it is a Pyraminx. Have I just messed it up? Nope. But it's sort of translucent. Let me see if I can get an edge off. Okay, I can't get an edge off. But yeah, this is a Pyraminx in here. And it is ball bearings, I think. Hang on, one sec. Right, sorry about that. That was another delivery. So yeah, so this is an interesting Pyraminx. I actually really dig that style. So yeah, so that's awesome. So I'm just trying to see if there's anything on here that tells me exactly what Pyraminx it is. Nope. But we have another Pyraminx guide, whatever. And we have this looks like a May long 5x5, which is fantastic because I don't actually own a 5x5. Get out the box. So yeah, so this is a 5x5. This is my very first 5x5, and it turns fantastically. It'll be interesting to actually solve it, obviously, especially given that it's my very first one. But yeah, this is a May long 5x5. I'm just trying to get it out of the checkerboard pattern. So far, £15 spent. Let me put that back in there. So yeah, so far £15 spent. not too bad at all. So that was the £10 bag. Let's just get that there. We have the Pyraminx and we have the 5x5. So let's see what's in the £20 bag. We have looks like a ghost cube and a different sort of Pyraminx. Awesome. Oh, it's a 4x4 Pyraminx. Okay, so we have a YJ ghost cube. I'm just trying to guess what it is. Yeah, there's no name on it per se. Actually, it's a good job I've got something else. Okay, so this is a 1x3x3 ghost cube. So, oh wow, okay, so it's definitely a shapeshifter. That's interesting. Yeah, so this is a 1x3x3 ghost cube. That's actually pretty awesome, to be fair. I'll shove that back in there. Right, hang on, I've just noticed as well. That actually tells me what it is on here. So, this is a C1 Pyra, and then we have a Meilong 5x5 square one lube, and then this is a 1x3x3 Pyraminx, and this means this is this is 1x3x3 ghost cube, and this is a master Pyraminx, or a 4x4 Pyraminx. So let me get all the stuff off. Oh, yeah, see, because a normal Pyraminx, where's the G-Long? There you are. See, so a normal Pyraminx is what, 5? Well, we're going to 3 layers. This is clearly 4 layers, so this is going to be a lot more tricky to solve. Wow, okay. I do not want to mess this up just yet, because it will definitely be a pain to solve, and it turns alright, I guess. And that's from a non-speed cuber way, but there we go. Back. Whew. But there's definitely no ball bearings in this one. It's definitely just smooth as everything. But you know what? That's really interesting. Let me move that one out of the way, and I'll bring over the £20 bag. £20. So, all in all, the £5 mystery box, the £5 lucky dip, it's relatively good. I mean, you get a puzzle and some lube, or rather, that is just what I got. Because it's lucky dip, your contents may vary. Yeah. So, does it say what brand the square one is? Nope. Okay. So this is just a Moyu. Sorry. Yeah, it's a Moyu square one, and some Z lube. We have a Chi1 Pyraminx, although it says it's Chi Mofang, so no idea. But we have Pyraminx, we have the Meilong 5x5, that's going to be awesome to try and solve. We have a 1x3x3 ghost cube, and we have a 4-layered Master Pyraminx, is that what it's called? Yeah, Master Pyraminx. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell. I don't normally say that, but hey, whatever. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.